So yeah, my presentation today is on Apple AirDrop. So what is Apple AirDrop? So AirDrop is an Apple feature that allows you to transfer files between iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks without using Wi-Fi or any cellular data, so you can do it wherever, whenever. And AirDrop is only compatible with Apple products only. So if you have an Android, this will not work, but it's still good to know how to use it, just to learn something new. So what can AirDrop be used for? AirDrop can be used for sending pictures, files, documents, videos, voice recordings, and you can also send your map location. AirDrop Cons. So although AirDrop is a good way to send information to another person, it also has some disadvantages. In order to receive or send an AirDrop, you need to be within 10 meters of the other person or the other person's device. If you're too far away, it won't work. So you do have to be close to the person you want to AirDrop to. AirDrop is public, meaning that anyone can receive your AirDrop. So it's very important that you're cautious of what you're sharing to that person. So it's important not to share personal information and do not share any banking information when you AirDrop to another person. Some other disadvantages include one, a risk of receiving inappropriate pictures or videos. Sometimes that is possible. I've never had that happen to me, but it is a possibility. And two, you can continuously receive pictures on AirDrop. So the person who, like a complete stranger, can send you AirDrops just repeatedly all the time for no reason, because some people think it's funny to do that. If you don't want to receive an AirDrop from other people, you can always turn off your AirDrop. This means that you won't receive any AirDrops from anyone. So how do I stop receiving AirDrops? So the first step is, in order to disable AirDrop, you have to go to your iPhone or Mac settings. It depends. If you're on your iPhone, you have to go to your settings on your iPhone, same thing for your MacBook. Two, so you have to look for this icon, because that is your settings icon. Three, search AirDrop in the search bar. Then two options will pop up. The first one will be AirDrop Sounds, and then the second one will be AirDrop General. You want to click AirDrop General. After that, you're going to have these three options. It'll be either receiving off, contacts only, or everyone. If you don't want to receive AirDrops from anyone, click on receiving off, and this will stop you from receiving any AirDrops. If you do this, you will still be able to send AirDrops, you just won't receive them from anyone. How to receive an AirDrop. In order to receive AirDrops, you need to click on everyone. So if you go back to the other slide here, one of the options was everyone. So if you want to receive the AirDrops, click on everyone. If you only want to receive AirDrops from your contacts, click on contacts only. This means you will only receive an AirDrop from someone you call or text, family members, friends. Those are usually your contacts. How to receive an AirDrop. When you receive an AirDrop, this will pop up on your screen. You can either accept or decline the AirDrop. If you accept the AirDrop, the picture, file, document, video, whatever you're sending, it will automatically save to your device. So it'll save to your camera roll. If it's a picture that you're accepting, it will save to your camera roll. If you decline the AirDrop, it will disappear. It will not reappear unless the person who sent you the AirDrop sends it a second time. If you send an AirDrop to someone, it's possible they will not receive it if they have their AirDrop disabled. And this also applies to iPads and MacBooks. How do I receive an AirDrop on your MacBook? So one, in order to receive an AirDrop on a MacBook, these are the steps you need to follow. Two, open your MacBook and click Go at the top of your screen. Three, once you click on Go, click on AirDrop. And after you click on AirDrop, this will pop up, the second picture, and you just click on turn on Bluetooth. Please note that in order to AirDrop, you need to have your Bluetooth on or else it will not work. 5. This screen will then pop up. Then click on Allow me to be discovered by no one. Once you click that, this will appear. So you can either click on Contacts Only or Everyone, and you have now successfully turned on your AirDrop on your MacBook. If you don't want to receive AirDrops from anyone on your MacBook, just click on No One, which is the first option. How do I send an AirDrop picture? In order to send an AirDrop picture to someone, you need to access your camera on your iPhone or your iPad. So in the picture, you see the camera icon. You'll just click on that icon. Then you will choose on whatever picture you want to AirDrop to that person. On the bottom left corner, you'll see this icon, and you'll have to click on that icon. The AirDrop icon will then appear, so you'll have to click on that icon, and you'll be able to send your AirDrop to whoever you want to send the AirDrop to. Something very similar to this will pop up on your phone screen. Depending on who you're sending the message to, you'll see that person's name with their picture. You can AirDrop to more than one person at a time if you want to. If this pops up on your screen, it means that the person you're trying to AirDrop to has their AirDrop off, so they won't be able to receive any of your AirDrops. They will need to go into their settings and turn on their AirDrop to receive your AirDrop. So how do I transfer AirDrops from iPhone to MacBook? So 1, make sure your AirDrop receiving is on everyone on your iPhone. Then you'll go to your camera roll on your iPhone. After you've done that, choose whatever picture you would like to transfer from your iPhone to your MacBook. And the next step is you'll look for this icon. It's a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Then you'll click on that icon. Once you've clicked on that icon, the AirDrop icon will appear again. So you'll click on the AirDrop icon. Once you click on AirDrop, something similar to this will appear. So go under Devices and find your MacBook. Once you see your MacBook, you will click on that button. It's circled in red. And when you click on it, the picture will automatically save to your computer. So the picture that was on your iPhone that you've transferred to your MacBook will save to your MacBook automatically. So for more information concerning your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook, there are 3 websites here that show you step-by-step instructions on how to use them and how to transfer pictures from your iPhone to MacBook. And there's also a YouTube tutorial on how to AirDrop on a MacBook if you would like to see it visually. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org, or you can call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. ET on Thursdays. Thank you for listening.